Hello everyone, from this video lecture we are going to discuss about the cancer, which is a part of the chapter that is human health and diseases. So let us discuss about the cancer. First of all, we need to define the topic, that is cancer, and it is the uncontrolled cell division leads to formation of the uncontrolled cell division, which leads to the formation of mass of cell called tumor. The mass of cell which is formed due to uncontrolled cell division, it is called tumor, and the process is called cancer. The process by which uncontrolled cell division occur in body, and that uncontrolled cell division leads to the formation of a mass of cell, and that mass of cell is known as the tumor. और ट्यूमर जो जिस प्रोसेस के थ्रू होता है, द प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड कैंसर, उसी को हम क्या बोलेंगे, कैंसर बोलेंगे. एंड a state or a feature of body cell which is known as the contact inhibition, a feature which is known as contact inhibition. Contact inhibition. So why we need to understand, or we need to know about contact inhibition under the cancer topic? Because in cancer the cells lost their contact, their property of contact inhibition. क्योंकि जो कैंसरस सेल होते हैं वो ऐसे सेल होते हैं who lose the property of contact inhibition. contact inhibition का प्रॉपर्टी वो लूज कर देते हैं. तो ये होता क्या है कॉन्टैक्ट इनहिबिशन, पहले इसके बारे में जानते हैं. सो कॉन्टैक्ट इनहिबिशन, इट इज द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ अ सेल और प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ नॉर्मल सेल ऑफ बॉडी by virtue of which by virtue of which due to contact with other cell due to contact with other cell inhibit the contact with other cell inhibit their uncontrolled growth. The uncontrolled growth of a cell, uncontrolled growth of a cell is inhibited by or inhibited due to contact of other cell, other normal cell. मतलब बॉडी में जो भी सेल्स होते हैं they are remain contacted with the other healthy cell, normal cell, and due to this contact they becomes unable to grow in uncontrolled manner. Uncontrolled manner में grow होने से वो बचे रहते हैं. And uncontrolled growth of cell leads to the formation of tumor. So no tumor formation take place in normal body cell or due to normal body cell. But in the case of cancer cell, in the case of cancer, the cancer cell lose this property of contact inhibition. Contact inhibition के property को, the property of contact inhibition property is lost by the cancerous cell. Cancerous cell या tumor creating cell जो होते हैं उनमें ये प्रॉपर्टी लॉस्ट हो जाती है. इसी की वजह से उनमें अनकंट्रोल्ड ग्रोथ होना शुरू होता है. एंड द अनकंट्रोल्ड ग्रोथ ऑफ सेल leads to the formation of a mass of cell, and that mass of cell is known as the tumor. So tumor how responsible for the cancer? So let us discuss first of all about the types of tumor. क्योंकि बॉडी में जो है ट्यूमर दो तरह के बनते हैं, तो इस तरह से इन ट्यूमर्स के बेस पर, दो तरह के ट्यूमर के बेस पर कैंसर भी जो है दो कैटेगरी में डिवाइड किया जा सकता है. तो पहले हम बात करते हैं टू टाइप्स के ट्यूमर की. तो ट्यूमर होता है क्या है ये हम लोग जान गए. अब बात करते हैं ट्यूमर्स, टाइप्स ऑफ ट्यूमर. And tumor can be classified as in two categories. One is benign tumor and the other is malignant tumor. As the term given, benign means the symptom or the damage due to the disorder or disease, it is mild or very less or not very harmful symptoms. ऐसे benign means जब कोई डिजीज हुआ सिम्टम कम क्रिएट करता है और बॉडी के लिए लेस हार्मफुल होता है, तो उसको हम बेनाइन की कैटेगरी में रखते हैं. बट माइलिग्नेंट मीन्स विच आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर वेरी हार्मफुल इफेक्ट इन द बॉडी. बॉडी में हार्मफुल इफेक्ट बहुत ज़्यादा क्रिएट होता है मैलिग्नेंट. सबसे पहले बात करते हैं बेनाइन ट्यूमर के बारे में. So one of the feature of benign tumor it is that this tumor remain confined to their original place. जिस प्लेस पे ये बनते हैं उसी प्लेस पे ही पड़े रहते हैं थ्रू आउट द लाइफ ऑफ बॉडी ऑफ ह्यूमन. मीन्स दे हैव नो प्रॉपर्टी टू स्कैटर्ड इन द बॉडी ऑफ ह्यूमन. इनके पास जो है स्कैटर होने की प्रॉपर्टी नहीं होती, मतलब वन प्लेस से अदर प्लेस पे जाने की प्रॉपर्टी नहीं होती. मीन्स दे रिमेन कन्फाइंड टू ओरिजिनल लोकेशन. मीन्स ऐसे ट्यूमर जो अपने ओरिजिनल लोकेशन तक ही कन्फाइंड रहते हैं. मीन्स नो ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ दिस ट्यूमर टेक प्लेस फ्रॉम देयर ओरिजिनल प्लेस टू द अदर प्लेस. तो ऐसे ट्यूमर को हम बोलते हैं बेनाइन ट्यूमर. दिस ट्यूमर आर नोन एज बेनाइन ट्यूमर. while the malignant tumor, so the opposite term, they can move, they can move from their original place. Or location. Original term means origin, where their origin take place, जहाँ पे उसकी origin होती है वहाँ से दूसरे जगह पे ट्रांसफी मूव कर जाते हैं. So it is the malignant. The other feature of benign tumor is that this tumor not cause more many damage, means it create little damage in the body of patient. Means benign tumor जो है जिस बॉडी में पाया जाता है उस बॉडी में बहुत ही कम डैमेज क्रिएट करता है, while the malignant tumor create major damage, major damages in the body. बॉडी में बहुत सारे डैमेज क्रिएट करते हैं malignant tumor. And some other features of malignant tumor, as the mass of proliferating cell, इनमें जो mass of proliferating cells पाए जाते हैं they are known as the mass of proliferating cell of malignant tumor, it is known as neoplastic cell or neoplastic cell. न्यूप्लास्टिक सेल और ट्यूमर सेल, ऐसे सेल को हम न्यूप्लास्टिक सेल या ट्यूमर सेल बोलते हैं. एंड द रेट ऑफ देयर ग्रोथ इज वेरी रैपिड. ये है रैपिड ग्रोथ रेट, मीन्स बॉडी में बहुत तेजी से ग्रो करते हैं, वेरी रैपिडली, दे ग्रो वेरी रैपिडली. And they are also responsible to invade and damage the surrounding cell. So the other feature is what for the malignant tumor, it is that they grow and invade, okay, invade and damage surrounding cell. जितने भी सराउंडिंग सेल्स होते हैं अराउंड द मैलिग्नेंट ट्यूमर, दे आल्सो गेट डैमेज्ड ड्यू टू देयर हार्मफुल इफेक्ट. हार्मफुल इफेक्ट की वजह से वो भी जो है डैमेज हो जाते हैं. उसके अलावा जो है द मैलिग्नेंट ट्यूमर compete for nutrient. The malignant tumor also compete for nutrient with normal cell to normal cell. नॉर्मल सेल से ये compete करते हैं फॉर द न्यूट्रिएंट सब्सटेंस. न्यूट्रिएंट के लिए जो है ये नॉर्मल सेल से compete भी करते हैं. And the other property involved that they show metastasis. The property of metastasis is shown by the malignant tumor. Metastasis. What is metastasis? Malignant tumor. So, the property of metastasis. So, let us discuss about the metastasis. What is the meaning of metastasis? So, metastasis is the property of malignant tumor in the case of cancer. कैंसर के केस में ये malignant tumor का एक property होता है, and this property allow the malignant tumor to slog off their a single cell. The cells from the malignant tumor become slog off. Suppose this is the malignant tumor present in the body, and a small cell becomes slog off from the malignant tumor and transfer reach to the another place in the body through the blood. Blood के through blood they transfer to another place and log down. वहाँ पे जो है log कर जाते हैं, and after logging they becomes grow into another tumor due to malignant tumor. तो ये जो है पहले जो malignant tumor पहले से बॉडी में पाया जा रहा है, उस malignant tumor से कुछ सेल निकल करके slog off become slog off and migrate to another place in the body. बॉडी के अदर पार्ट में जाकर के इसके थ्रू जाएंगे, ब्लड के थ्रू जाते हैं, and after moving to other place they log down, and after logging they grow and mature to form new tumor in the body. नया ट्यूमर फिर से बना लेते हैं. So this property allow the malignant tumor to distribute all over the body of human. पूरे बॉडी में जो है ये फैल जाते हैं इस प्रॉपर्टी की वजह से. कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी? द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मेटास्टेसिस. मेटास्टेसिस की वजह से जो है they are not remain confined to the original position. अपने ओरिजिनल पोजीशन तक confined नहीं रहते हैं और वहां से ये जो है दूसरे जगह पे मूव करते रहते हैं. So this is the property of malignant tumor. Now the next thing we need to know about the cause of cancer. कैंसर के क्या causes होते हैं उसके बारे में हम जानते हैं. Cause of cancer. So the cancer causing substance or the agent which are causing cancer, they are commonly known as carcinogens. Cancer causing agents are commonly known as carcinogens. They are commonly known as carcinogens, and they can be classified into following category. Classified into following category. As physical agents, the physical agents involve a number of radiations which are responsible to create tumor in the body. As they can classify the radiation are classified into two categories: ionizing radiation and non-ionizing radiation. So ionizing radiation कौन कौन से होते हैं? Ionizing radiation involve X-ray and gamma ray. X-rays and gamma rays comes under the category of ionizing radiation, which are responsible to cause tumor in body. And the other is non-ionizing radiation. And the non-ionizing radiation involve the ultraviolet radiation. That is UV rays. UV rays are comes under the category of non-ionizing radiation, means they do not create any kind of ions. So these are the physical. So this is the physical about the physical agent or physical carcinogens. The next that is about the chemical carcinogens. The second category of carcinogens is chemical, and the chemical agents which are responsible or act as carcinogens involve the chemical present in tobacco, the chemical present is responsible for mouth cancer. So this is comes under the chemical carcinogen. And the third category is the biological carcinogens or biological agents. And the biological agents involve the living materials which are responsible to cause tumor or create tumor in body to cause cancer. And under this category, some viruses are act as the carcinogens. Along with viruses, some genes are present in the normal body cell. Gene of body cell, and the gene which are responsible to cause cancer or to create tumor in body, they are known as oncogene. And these oncogenes, after stimulation inside the body, they are responsible to cause tumor. So they are comes under the category of biological carcinogen. तो इनको हम biological carcinogens की category में रख सकते हैं. They are also known as CG or protogene. So these are the different causes of cancer or tumor inside the body. So this is all about the cause of cancer along with the types of tumor and definition of cancer. And now in next video lecture we will discuss about the remaining topics related to the cancer, as the detection of cancer, means how the cancer is detected inside the body.